Next up, 2017 Panini National Treasures Racing 4 Hobby Box Case, random serial number for each box, group break number 46. Alrighty, I got everybody in their spots. Let's go 5 times on the names. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Christopher R. at 1, David B. at 10. This will be your slot for the break. This will not change. Box number 1, let's get our serial numbers, 1 through 10. One through 10, 5 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 top, 5 bottom. Again, these are your numbers for box number 1. Christopher R. 4, Dave C. 0, Kenneth B. 8, Doug 2, William 6, Christopher K. 9, Ben 7, Christopher R. with 1, Ben 3, and David B. with 5. Again, your numbers for box number 1. Yeah, Tom, I can't wait to see some of that stuff. It's been, kept getting pushed back, but we're all set for Friday. What's going on, James? Alrighty, good luck, you guys. Ryan Newman, Austin Dillon, 15 to 25. It's 5, David B. Dale Earnhardt Jr., Casey Kane, 5 to 20. It's David B. Jeff Burton, 12 to 25. It's 2. It's Doug. What's going on, Kevin? Carol Yarborough, that's 8 to 15. Kenneth. And most famous man in our break room. He's up right there. 23 and 99. 3, Ben. Kurt Busch, 9 of 10. Christopher K. I had to make sure he's still there, Hudson. And Kevin Harvick, 5 of 5. It's going to David B. Matt Kenseth, 4 of 10. Christopher R. Alright, box number 2. One through 10, 5 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 top, 2 bottom. Christopher R, 9, Dave C, 6, Kenneth B, 3, Doug, 0, William, 5, Christopher K, 4, Ben, 7, Christopher R, 8, Ben, 1, David B, 2. Brad Kozlowski, that's 10 of 20, that's 0, that's Doug. Martin Truex, 6 of 15, Dave C. Danica Patrick, 14 of 25, 4, Christopher K. Harry Gant, 34 of 50, 4, Christopher K. Michael Waltrip, 2 of 30, 2, David B. Bobby Labonte, 24 of 25, Christopher K. Ryan Newman, 23 of 25, 3, Kenneth. And our booklet, Carl Edwards, 5 of 10, William. Alright, let's get our numbers for box 3. Let me just put these up on the shelf, get them out of the way. Alright, box number 3. 1 through 10, 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Christopher R with 6, Dave C 5, Kenneth B 8, Doug 4, William 3, Christopher K 1, Ben 9, Christopher R 7, Ben 2, and David B with 0. Kyle Larson, 101. Christopher K. Martin Truex, 101. Right back to Christopher K. Dale Earnhardt Jr., 3 of 25. William. James, I think they're all 3 gone. Carl Edwards, 1 of 25. Christopher K. Joe Nemechek, 10 of 25. That's 0. David B. Corey LaJoy, 5 of 20. Dave C. Kyle Busch, 3 of 5. William. And we got DP, 9 of 20. 9 of 20. Ben B. Nice hit on the Danica. All right. Box number 4. All right, 1 through 10, 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 top, 4 bottom. Christopher R with 2, Dave C 7, Kenneth B with 3, Doug 9, William with 1, Christopher K 6, Ben 8, Christopher R 0, Ben with 5, and David B with 4. Alrighty, good luck, you guys. Joey Logano, 14 of 14, that's 4. It's David B. David Reagan, 12 of 20, 2. Christopher R. Kyle Busch, 9 of 13. It's Doug. Justin Alligator, 3 of 15. Kenneth. Chad Knaus, 1 of 1. It's William. AJ Allmendinger, 5 of 5. That's Ben. Carl Edwards, 1 of 5. William. And our booklet, Kyle Busch, 3 of 15. Kenneth. Thank you everybody who joined.